Meaning of fantasist.
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 Fantasist. Fantasist refers to a person who enjoys creating or indulging in fantasies, often to escape reality or cope with stress or anxiety. This type of person may have an active imagination and frequently daydreams about unrealistic scenarios or idealized situations. They may also be prone to lying or exaggerating to make their lives seem more exciting or glamorous than they actually are. While fantasy can be a healthy coping mechanism, excessive fantasizing can lead to social isolation, problems with relationships, and difficulty functioning in the real world.